Alright, I'm just in the pub right now, as you can see. And I didn't film all that much footage on, let me think, Tuesday or Wednesday. I don't think I filmed anything at all on Wednesday. So I think what I might do is like an IOU on that vlog. And I'll do Thursday and I'll just skip Wednesday altogether, and then I'll bring Wednesday back in later on down the line. In this vlog, I just basically I'm just trying to catch up with some stuff before I go on the trip that I'm on right now. So I had to hang a door for a friend, so I sorted that out. Just a lot of admin in the office, not super interesting to film, but there's a few bits in this vlog. I think this is probably going to be about 5 minutes long, something like that. So skip this one by all means and tune back in like in a few days' time. But for now, I think, how's it going? All right? I scared somebody off with my vlogging. They were looking at me strangely. Also, that Lucy Letby case is kind of mad. I've been like tuning into that quite a bit. It's just that's wild that they got away with that she got away with that for that long is mind blowing. Damn. Alright, let's go and pick up Maya and drop off and install that door. Come on. It's open from the bottom. I squeezed too hard. One more day to go.
Half a day.
Half a day. Coloured varnish. I think you mean paint, don't you? That's just paint, right? I think you mean paint. This is probably the manliest soda you could buy. Well, they've just been discussing her constantly.
Yeah, and then when things like are happening in the media or whatever, then it's podcast time.
All right, there's a whole podcast apparently dedicated to Letby.
53 episodes.
She's that crazy nurse that killed those babies. What you got there, bud?
Sausages.
Good old sausages.
That scared me. I thought that was Finn.
Bye.
Bye.
Finn, who's that? Who's this? It's not exactly what I had in mind.